How to delete your Lyft account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guy. In today's video I will simply show you how you can delete your Lyft account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to delete your Lyft account from the mobile app on iOS or Android, open the app and sign into your account. Tap on the three bars which is located at the top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the three bars from the top left, here you'll find the option that says help. So just go ahead and tap on the help option. And as you tap on the help option, scroll to the bottom and under the get help, just tap on the option that says profile and account settings. So as you can see over here as well. Once you've done so, here you'll be able to see all the sorts of various options, and you just have to select the one that says delete my account. So just go ahead and tap on the delete my account button, and you will then get a confirmation message saying that Lyft will delete your account. And that's all it takes to delete your account on Lyft. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.